Hi, my name is Michael, and today I'd like to explain to you the difference between a Pcl standard coupling and the Xf range. Standard adapters, commonly known as Pcls, are the standard UK profile. These adapters are longer than Euro adapters. A standard adapter is suitable for applications up to 14 bar, which equates to 200 psi. This adapter will connect to the airflow, vertex, safe flow and the non-corrodable coupling. Which coupling you decide to use depends on whether it's a damp environment, whether it's on a trailing hose, whether you require a safety or if it's a fixed application. Euro style fittings are the standard use in Europe and the Far East. With it having a larger nominal bore, it makes it less restrictive, so it's ideal for use with 3/4 inch wrenches and also 1 inch impact wrenches. It has a higher flow rate than the UK profile. The standard and Euro profiles do not interchange. For example, an Xf Euro adapter will not fit into a UK style coupling. A standard adapter will loosely fit into an Xf Euro coupling. However, this will result in a loss of airflow, so it's important that you have the correct profile. Both Pcl standard and Xf Euro profiles come in a large range of thread sizes. These are both available in an integral hose tail piece and both male and female BSP thread. Generally, the most confusing part when purchasing these products is what thread size you need, as they're based on the thread size rather than the actual dimension. We have a handy guide in the catalogue to help you and also the support side on our website.